Welcome to the MicroTracer's Feed Pellet Grinding Instructional video. To begin the grinding procedure, carefully remove the blender lid. Pour the animal feed pellets into the blender container. Once the feed has been added, securely replace the lid before starting the blending process. Grind the pelleted feed for approximately 20 seconds, or until it reaches a fine, mash-like consistency suitable for analysis. During the grinding process, lightly shake the blender as needed to help ensure an even grind. Once the desired consistency has been achieved, stop the blender and carefully remove the lid. Your feed sample is now properly prepared and ready for analysis. Thank you for watching. For additional instructional videos and more information about MicroTracer's products and services, please visit microtracers.com.